Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Amelia Zahro with intent 202212500646. Here, I will be presenting for you test practice, namely with the theme The Importance of Effective Communication in Presentations. This topic focuses on the importance of effective communication in presentations as well as how to present ideas and knowledge in an effective way. Effective presentation skills are a crucial aspect of successful communication, both in professional and personal contexts. Effective presentations can influence the way messages are delivered, understood, and received by the audience. This skill involves the ability to convey ideas, information, or thought clearly, convincingly, and compellingly. In an increasingly connected and competitive world, the ability to communicate effectively through presentations is becoming increasingly important. Whether in business meetings, sales presentations, project presentations, or public speeches, good presentation skills help individuals to communicate their goals clearly, influence thinking and audience actions, as well as building credibility and trust. Effective presentation skills include several interrelated aspects. First, the ability to speak clearly and organically, using language that is easy to understand and a logical presentation structure. Second, the ability to convey message with able and continuity that captivates the audience through the use of appropriate rhetoric, storytelling, and audiovisual techniques. Third, the ability to read and utilize audience response to adjust presentations, answer questions, and overcome constraints or objections that might arise. Effective presentation techniques often need to be adapted to the age and characteristics of the audience so that the message conveyed can be well received. As students, they usually prefer to pay attention to presentations that are informative and provide space for collaboration. Therefore, it is important for you to present data and facts clearly as well as provide time for question and answer sessions or group discussion that allow them to collaborate. Determine appropriate presentation techniques. There are several techniques, including recognizing the audience. Understanding who your audience isn't what they need is the first step in determining the presentations techniques you will use. Make sure you know their background, interests, and level of knowledge about the topic you are going to present so that the presentation is more relevant and interesting to them. Presentation objectives. What do you want to achieve with this presentation? Do you want to inform something, persuade your audience, or motivate them? Setting clear goals will help you choose the most effective presentation techniques to achieve them. Presentation content. The content to be delivered needs to be adjusted to the method of delivery. Consider the complexity of the information to be conveyed and choose presentation techniques that can make the contents easily understood by time and pledge. The context of the time and pledge of the presentation also influences the presentation techniques you choose. For example, a webinar might require a different approach compared to a face-to-face presentation in a conference room. Presenter ability. No less important is adapting presentation techniques to the presenter's abilities and comforts. You must choose techniques that suit your strengths as a presenter so you can convey your message confidently and authentically. Available tools and technology. Considering the tools and technology that you will use during the presentation is also important in determining presentation techniques. Will you use visual tools such as slides or videos, or will you engage your audience in interactive activities, audience feedback, and interactions? How do you want the audience to engage in the presentations? Do you want a question and answer session, discussion, or other interactive activities? Determining the desired level of interaction will also influence the presentation techniques you choose. Closing. Good presentation skills can also improve career opportunities. The ability to speak publicly, explain ideas persuasively, and lead powerful presentations are attributes sought by many organizations. By mastering effective presentation skills, individuals can increase their chances of having a successful career and advancing themselves in the world of education and business. Mastering effective presentation techniques is a challenge that you will definitely face sooner or later, because both in the world of lecture and the world of work, you will make presentations for various purposes. That's all for me. I hope it